What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to install the ScooterHacking utility app, or let's say firmware, on your device so you can unlock the speed. Here I have Ninebot MAX G2. In a sport mode it can go up to 50 km per hour, as you see here, 51, 52. Okay, let's stop it now. Also, you can have additional options such as cruise control and many others. So actually, installation guidance is very simple. Firstly, you need to order the controller from AliExpress. So I have the spare one here that I already replaced. So you just order this controller. You can find a video in the description how to do it and install it here. Then actually you don't need to do anything. Already ScooterHacking firmware is on your device. So as you see here, I have the config here. And as you see, FW, so DRV, and you see the version of ScooterHacking firmware. Then you just go to config here, then you can set it up, all the settings of ScooterHacking utility, and it's working really well. I really enjoy my scooter now and using all the potential of this MAX G2 scooter, and actually that's how easily you can install it. Just replace controller and it's done.